the people that you surround yourself with say a lot about you and who you are as a person. If I decide to surround myself with people that are drinking, and I have a drinking problem, then chances are I am not really going to be able to control myself, because you constantly have that trigger surrounding you. Really, the people that you hang out with, because you're around them a lot, they have so much influence on you, and you often try to emulate the way that they are and who they are so that you can be accepted into the group, and that you can be, they know you as part of who they are. So, just being careful of the people that you are around, as difficult as it can be to, cut a friend off or say, hey, maybe it's not the best idea for us to hang out right now. It is so important to surround yourself with supportive people who aren't going to enable you or make you feel bad about yourself.